Hey everybody, what's going on? So it's time for video number 2. And like I said in the previous video, I've got some control arm bushings that I need to put on. So we can go racing. This Saturday is the first day that the track is going to be open for test and tune. I said Saturday, Sunday. So I'm hoping to get at least this side done. That way both rear sides will be finished and I can get the car kind of aligned and straight. And then I can get the new tires balanced. Pretty excited about those. We're going a little bit bigger. Hopefully a lot more traction. Mickey Thompson ET Street S's. Sorry, SS's are the old ones. Those are ET Streets. They're gonna take up a lot of the wheel well. Look pretty good. Alright, so I'm gonna jack the car up, get the tire off, and hopefully get this top control arm off pretty quick. I've already done the job once, so it should be way faster this time. So yeah, let's get the car jacked up, get cracking. Alright, so here's the old tire. They're almost 4 years old at this point, which for radials means that they're old and hard and the compound's not very good anymore. I haven't been able to get traction with these since I did all the upgrades, and as you can tell, my alignment's off too. But I already knew that. Cars always had an alignment issue in their rear. Just haven't ever really cared enough until now, because I'm going to need all the traction I can get. So, alignment matters. So, I'm not always going to have the right tools for the job, and I don't advise anybody following my steps, ever, but sometimes you just don't want to go out there and buy that specialty tool to separate something, so you just make it work with a hammer. So, top A arm is off. It went decently fast. Lots of stuck bolts. You know, everything holding this thing together is 20 years old. So that's just the nature of the game. So I'm gonna pop these out real quick so I can work on getting the rubber part off, because last time that proved to be quite a problem. Bushing should knock out pretty easy. So what I'm going to do is pretty easy, hopefully. Just going to give this thing a couple solid whacks with the impact socket. Going. Socket too big? Is that what's happening here? It should be the same size. Didn't really want to use that because it's aluminum, but it's already mushroomed out from the last time I did this, so fuck it. There we go. It's not, they didn't leave too much behind. But it'll get cleaned up. Here they are. This one's got a groove on the inside of it. Well, the other ones had that, but I'm sure it's just a casting groove or something. Now the fun part is going to get those out of the rubber. This This proved to be quite the task last time. We ended up having to burn them out, and I'd imagine I'm going to have to do the same. What I've done here is mark this one so I know which one the bigger bushing goes into. Alright, so I'm going to go toss these in the fire pit because it's going to smell like terrible burning rubber. Alright, now that those are burning, they should stay burning for a while. So, it's time to go get the blowers started. Alright, so here we are after the fire last night. Here's what the bushings look like. They are filthy. This one obviously didn't burn off all the way, so that should be fun. Now for the really dirty part of scraping these things off and getting them clean enough to use. Alright, so here they are. It's about as clean as I'm going to get them. It's about as clean as I think they need to be. My Sharpie marks did not work. Next time, I'll probably just scratch something in there. Some kind of engraving to show which one it is. Good news with these ones, they're the same size. The bushings are different size, but the pins inside are the same size. So, not much to worry about there. The good news is with these ones is the bushings for the top control arm are 2-piece. So these will press in extremely easy, which is nice because the bottom ones are a pain in the fucking ass. Let's get to it. All this stuff is extremely dirty. Just all this, the bushing grease is nasty. The dust that comes off the old bushings is nasty. Oh, I'll give it a better cleaning when it's time to put it in. Alright, so that was one arm. I'm going to start getting done on the bottom. I don't feel like I probably need to show you that. It's the exact same process. I'll probably show you when I go to put the bushings in, because it's a lot harder on the bottom because they're not two-piece. So I'll see you then.